Arancini di Riso, or Italian rice balls, are a classic Sicilian street food that combines the rich flavor of saffron risotto with a savory filling, coated in a crispy golden crust. These delicious bites are crunchy on the outside, soft and cheesy on the inside, and bursting with flavor in every bite. Traditionally made with leftover risotto, arancini are the perfect way to transform a simple dish into an impressive appetizer or a party snack. In this recipe, the risotto is flavored with saffron, filled with pancetta and tomato sauce, coated in a mix of breadcrumbs and cornflakes for extra crunch, and fried until perfectly crisp. Serve them up, topped with freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and watch them disappear fast. Whether you are cooking for friends, family, or just treating yourself, these arancini are guaranteed to impress. Instruction: make the saffron risotto. Dice the white onions. Saute 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Add the risotto. Toast lightly, then stir in the saffron. Deglaze with the white wine. Slowly add the chicken stock. Stir until rice is cooked softer than usual, 25 to 30 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, cover and let it cool. Let's make the filling. In a skillet, cook pancetta on a low until crisp. Remove. In the rendered fat, cook golden onion until soft. Add the strained tomato, simmer gently until flavor combines. Set aside. Form the rice balls. Scoop portion of cooled risotto using an ice cream scoop. Flatten, add a little pancetta, tomato mixture in the center. Shape into balls, you will get about 16 to 18 pieces. Coat. Whisk the egg with salt and pepper. Roll each ball in flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs, and cornflakes mix. Let's fry. Either peanut oil or any oil of your choice. Fry until golden and crisp. Drain on a paper towel. Serve. Stack grated Parmesan on top while warm. Garnish and enjoy hot.